make some dinner. I was hoping to have some steak, but it turns out that I don't actually have a sharp knife. This is the only knife I've got. A camping butter knife. Saying that. Alright, not sure. Shouldn't be that tough. Should be alright. The only problem is I don't have any seasoning. But what I do have is some onion, some mushroom, baby corn, and just some spring onions. So that's dinner. Morning. It's a pretty rough sleep in the van last night, I'm not gonna lie, because the mattress was just, it felt like there was nothing there. The night's that last night, so I'll just double it up. You know, you can watch all these videos on people building campers and it's easy to follow, but mostly all of them say the best way to figure out what you need is to actually stay in it yourself, which is absolutely true. So when I went to Fife, there was a couple of things that I knew I wanted to change, but I was over there for one night, so it wasn't really a test. But I think now that I've been here, what is it, two nights now, there's loads now that I want to change. Definitely getting better foam for the mattress. When I get back, I'm going to take all of this apart because I want to move it back so that I can get the toilet in there, because I don't like it under the unit. Because that's where the toilet is just now, but it's actually going to go there once I push this back, and then I'll just build another bit of the bed frame here, basically attach onto this. But it wasn't actually cold, it was pretty warm last night for some reason. I've got a bit of recording to do today, so I'm going to have some breakfast. Some porridge, a couple of pancakes, a green tea. That would do me fine.
Well, that's a nice setup.
Oh yeah. This has to be the best thing that I've bought for this van, and anybody that lives in a van will agree. So the thing I'm going to just show is this bit here. Nothing here. Found this wee car park. It's not as busy, and I've kind of tried to tuck myself into a corner so I can try and record in peace. I just hope it doesn't fill up though, because it is Saturday. Let's just do it. Who cares? And this is just to give you an idea where I am. So I've tucked myself right into the corner out here. So let's go. So that's a bust. I'm just going to move. Listen to that thing going. I'm just going to move because, like, the sound of the birds and blah 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 is just going to muck up the recording. Plus there's no internet as well, so I can't get parking for the Ringo app, I think it's called. So back to North Berwick we go. So I've ended up just coming back because, believe it or not, it's actually a lot quieter here. And with all that driving, I thought I'm going to get a wee chippy. So I got a large chips, mushroom pizza. Apparently they won fish and chips of the year 2022. North Berwick Diner, I think it was. It's the main chippy in the town. It's alright, I wouldn't say it's the best. What is that, cheddar cheese? Oh, I prefer mozzarella, but give it a try. It's alright. So I thought I'd do a video and show you how I get power, basically, because I don't have leisure batteries in here. Reason being is I just couldn't be arsed with all the wiring, and I don't know what I'm doing. Obviously, I would need to get a leisure battery and then relays. And then if I was going to do solar, I would need to get an MPPT and all that jazz. And then you have to dedicate a space in the van for all that shit, either under the bed, under the footwells, and I just couldn't be arsed with that. So the next best thing, I was looking at portable generators. Jackery, Anchor, what's that other one? Blue Yeti. And the common thing that I kept seeing, don't get lithium ion, because the new one is LiPo, something like that. So the one I ended up going for is the ecoflow River 2. That's just a wee bit of tape because the light was shining on my face at night. The one that I was getting before it was the ecoflow River Max, and it was 526 watt hours, I think, but it was lithium ion, and I actually ordered it and it was taking ages to get delivered, so I cancelled it. And when I cancelled it, I saw that these were announced. So this one is a 256 watt and it's got X boost. As it stands, you can power anything up to 300 watts, but if you apply the X boost, it goes up to 600 watts, which is pretty cool. And I've been using it to build this van because the drill and the saw that I was using were rated at 600 watts, so I was able to use them to build inside of this van. But the differences between the two batteries, the ecoflow lithium ion first version I was going to get, it would last for like 500 charges or something like that. So charge it full, that's it, charge it, that's it, 500 times. Whereas LiPo 4, whatever it's called, this can go up to like 2,000, 3,000 charges. They were saying you could charge it once every day or something like that and it would last 8, 9, 10 years easily. So the batteries are a lot more hard wearing, long lasting. Like most leisure batteries, they have to sit in the one place. You can't really move them about. To best fit your area, you have to basically make an area for them. The other thing as well is that it's portable. I can take it wherever I want. So basically to charge this thing, you can plug it into the house, you plug it from a USB connection, you can charge it from solar, you can plug into the car as well while you're driving. I honestly believe that these portable generators are now going to replace leisure batteries. So that's a lot of wattage, especially when you're in a small camper van and you're wanting to get some work done. If you try to edit any 4K footage on this laptop, you'd be done. So the way that I get round it, if I turn the MacBook off, and what I've done is I've plugged in the iPad Pro. For anything like songwriting or recording, I can do it in this, and basically what I'm going to leave this for is when I need to mix or edit vocals, but primarily recording everything on the iPad, and this is why. So the iPad Pro is plugged in with USB-C. This is how much watts the iPad takes. Read it? 17. So just near enough 20. So the MacBook's drawing 80 watts and giving us like 1 hour worth of working time, whereas the iPad's only taking 17 and it's giving us 11 hours. And because it's USB-C as well, it's fast charging, as opposed to using this, it's just going to eat this battery up. Honestly, the iPad's the way to go. I'm going to do some recording and I'll show you my setup. I've never ran out of juice yet, but I'm definitely going to be looking at getting the middle one because it just gives more power. I know it ain't been easy, or is it 'cause I'm not the right man? But I'll give my best until it's over.
We started off fine, now we're up and down. You try and let me in, then you shut back down. I just wanna stop the hurting. You know I do. I know it ain't been easy. Or is it 'cause I'm not the right man? But I'll give my best until it's over. I'll give my best until it's over. I know you've never had security, and every day you're scared I'm gonna leave. But I'll give my best until it's over.
So I thought I'd just come out and try and walk a bit of that pizza and chips off. So this is my last night in North Berwick. I've got a light on my head just so I can see where I'm going. Brought a couple of songs, recorded 1.5. Aye, pretty good trip. But I can definitely see me coming back here again. It's just lovely, it's quiet. The nice in the summer as well. Oh, but it's just so relaxing. Probably should come down here and just set up a microphone and do some ASMR. So North Berwick, thanks for having me, it was fun. See ya!